Imagine a pool or spa that's not only stunning but built to last for decades. Picture yourself lounging by a pool that not only looks amazing, but also stands the test of time. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality you can achieve with the right materials and construction techniques. With smarter materials you can make this dream a reality. Modern building materials have revolutionized the way we construct pools and spas, offering unparalleled durability and efficiency. These advancements mean you can enjoy your pool without worrying about constant maintenance or high energy bills. Let me introduce you to the ICF Build Block System. This innovative system uses insulated concrete forms to create a strong, energy-efficient structure. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide a stable foundation for your pool. These insulated concrete forms are a game-changer for pool construction. They offer superior insulation, which helps maintain a consistent water temperature. This means your pool will be more comfortable to swim in, and you'll save on heating costs. They keep water at a steady temperature, which means lower energy costs and unbeatable durability. The thermal insulation provided by the ICF Build Block System ensures that your pool remains energy efficient, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money in the long run. Now, let's talk about Helix Mini Rebar. This innovative product is designed to reinforce concrete in all directions, providing a stronger and more durable structure. It's a crucial component in modern pool construction. When you mix this with concrete, it reinforces in all directions. This multi-directional reinforcement helps prevent cracks and increases the overall strength of the concrete, ensuring that your pool remains in excellent condition for years to come. Fewer cracks, faster installation, and a stronger foundation. That's what I'm talking about. Picture this: a pool that not only looks beautiful, but also has a rock-solid foundation. The combination of ICF Build Block System and Helix Mini Rebar makes this possible. A beautiful, crystal-clear pool with people relaxing poolside. Imagine the joy of spending time with family and friends in a pool that's not only visually stunning but also built to last. This is the ultimate backyard oasis. Smarter construction means stronger pools, lower costs, and a project you can complete faster. By using advanced materials and techniques, you can build a pool that's both cost-effective and durable. This means you can enjoy your pool sooner and with less hassle. Ready to start building your dream pool or spa? Learn more today. Take the first step towards creating your perfect backyard retreat by exploring the benefits of the ICF Build Block System and Helix Mini Rebar. These innovative products will help you build a pool that's both beautiful and long-lasting. The ICF Build Block System and Helix Mini Rebar, your new best friends in pool construction. These materials work together to create a pool that's not only stunning, but also incredibly durable and energy efficient. Green Builder products, helping you build smarter, safer, and more sustainable projects. By choosing these advanced materials, you're not only investing in a high-quality pool, but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Build your dream pool today with confidence and peace of mind.